Knife set. Upgrade your kitchen with the Henckels Premium Quality 15-piece knife set with block, designed for precision and durability. This set includes high-quality stainless steel knives for all your culinary needs, from slicing and dicing to peeling and chopping. The knives feature single-piece stamped blade construction for superior sharpness and long-lasting performance. Ergonomic triple-riveted handles ensure a comfortable grip and balanced control. The set includes a paring knife, utility knife, serrated knife, bread knife, chef's knife, and more, along with 6 steak knives. A sturdy hardwood block provides safe and stylish storage. Each knife is lightweight yet strong, ensuring effortless handling. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, though hand washing is recommended for longevity. Perfect for both beginner and experienced cooks, this set combines practicality and elegance for every kitchen.